Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, me and Olo VR. What the heck? Well,
he disappeared. How? I wonder how.
Well, yeah, this is new
Now, where
ambush
am I?
game mode, and whoever's the tagger, you can't see them unless they have on cosmetics. So that's why I have on no cosmetics. And there's a new mines update, and it flooded, and I don't want to lie to y'all. I've already checked it out.
Flooded?
Yes, that's why I said you want to go check out the new flood update with me.
Oh, you mean in new caves?
Yes, new
You
or
said
old
mines.
caves. I meant new caves. Or no,
Look, Mark the shark. It's Mark the shark.
no, Mark the shark's down here.
I
Yeah,
didn't know there was a shark in the update.
yeah,
I didn't see one.
yeah. You can even ride it.
Whoa, where is he?
Well, he can't bite you though. I see him.
But where is he?
Follow me.
I don't know where you are.
I'm gonna ride it. Oh,
There he is.
you can grab onto him.
No.
Goodbye.
Boy.
Crap!
But I haven't even seen the shark yet, so you can't do that. Stop it!
You can't tag me.
Oh, no! Yes, I'm not even trying to tag you, buddy.
Oh, God. Wait.
I'm not even Mark. Good riddance. Whoa, what the flip-flap?
What the frick?
I've also checked it out, I just haven't made a video on it. And I didn't even know Mark the shark was here. No.
No.
It ain't happening, buddy boy. Ain't happening.
Hey, that shark is mine.
Mark, let's go this way. Come on, Mark.
Wait, I wonder
Me
if
and
Mark
are already
ever
best
goes,
friends.
to the underground thing.
Me and Mark are already best friends. I just met him.
I want the new pirate update. It's not out yet.
I want the summer update, even though they already released it.
Someone's been streaming for 2 months to wait on that. I think his name is It's Vlad or something. It's Vlad.
It's Vlad's been streaming
For
a
2
month.
months.
For a month?
But, no, sometimes he just shows Subway Surfer clips.
No, Marky!
No.
Bro. My tracking lost and I accidentally tagged you, which made you let go. L. Me and Mark the Shark are gonna go have our fun times.
Family
Mark are best
friendly.
friends.
I wonder if Mark is family
Hey.
friendly.
I hope Mark tears you to the...
No, not Mark.
Mark
I'm gonna
would
get Mark.
be. Hey, why you tagging me, mate? No! Sigma, no!
Yes,
Sigma
go.
the shark, I know you. Sigma! No! Marky the shark! Ah, yeah.
No.
Mark.
We should see if the other maps have an update.
Mark. Other maps. I already checked the other maps, buddy.
Well, it's my turn.
Buddy boy. I want to ride Mark.
Yeah, I'll be in mountains because it's my favorite, second favorite. What? And why is my voice gone, bro? I hate it when my voice. It's so.
Why is there a bunch of big boy sharks with rocks in their mouth? Are they dead?
the bat has a scuba tank. Matt the scuba tank. I'm calling him Matt.
Really?
I'm calling him Matt the scuba tank.
That's actually crazy.
I don't care if he's a bat. I'm calling him Matt the scuba tank.
Okay. Hold on. If I lose the code, I'll be back.
Alright, it's fine.
For some reason.
Anyways, I'm gonna go and check out mountains. Honestly, I hope he gets kicked. How is he swimming? Oh, he has a scuba tank. Scuba tank. Oh, he already got kicked. How did bro already get kicked? What? He's not. Yeah, he got kicked. Alright, yeah, so I'm gonna check out. I still wish they didn't get rid of it. Is this it? Ooh, what? What? Alright, I'm gonna hit Secret Shark real quick. I forget the next couple lines, but then it goes Secret Shark. Oh, I actually made it. Okay. Secret Shark. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. What the? It's frozen. What? What the heck? What? This is cool. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm getting dizzy. Ah! Oh, crap. I've always tried to do that jump. It's so hard. Oh, gosh. Ugh. I wonder when he's gonna. Oh. Oh, yeah. Why is it shooting out? Wait! Why is it shooting out snowflakes? Last map I'm gonna check out because I love gliding like Fortnite. But I don't really like Fortnite. It's gonna be clouds. I don't know why, but like every time I like, dude. Oh, hello. Oh, I thought he joined back. Like every time I do like this in Gorilla Tag, I say "ow," even though it's a game. What? Now I get it. These, like, it was shooting snowflakes and mountains because that froze. It's a slipping slide. And of course, it's a shark. And why is it green? You know what? I'm just gonna glide around for maybe a minute. I don't know why. I'm barely even in this map, but I'm super good at it. I mean, it's not the worst map in Gorilla Tag. I say basement is. But like, still, I'm super good at it and I have no clue why. Because I don't play it much. Hello. Bam. What the? Oh, it's a trampoline. I thought it was like a different map. Alright, I'm gonna glide like one more time. What? I never fall. I mean, I never fell. What? You saw nothing. Also, a tip for gliders. You can't turn like super, like, you can't turn like super this way and expect it to turn right when you go off. You have to get speed. So, let's say I'm super slow and I do this. It's like, but now I'm fast. I can do it. Honestly, you know what? I hate this map. You take that. Goodbye. What the? Alright. Guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Like and subscribe, and you'll become an invisible monkey even when you're not a tagger. And goodbye!